MLS listing subscribers, we're back for another vendor spotlight, and we've got some exciting news as we're going to be releasing a showing tool here. And so to give you a little tease on that, I've got Tom Durezzo, Director of Product Management, and Jeffrey Lambrecht, Project Manager, aka Matrix Guru, aka how are you guys doing today?
Very good.
Doing
Thank
great.
you.
Fantastic.
Thanks for having us out here.
Yeah, exciting news, Tom.
Yeah, we're super excited. So what we've done is we've partnered with Aligned Showings, and Aligned Showings is going to be providing us with the capability for agents to quickly and easily set up their listings for showings, and then for buyers agents via Matrix to go ahead and just click on a link to schedule a showing, and easy 3 steps. So this is going to be coming out, and we're really excited to get feedback, because we'll be feeding that back to the vendor and they'll continue to improve this product. But right now it's pretty easy, pretty simple, and Jeffrey is going to take us through how it works on the listing agent side, and then I'll show you guys what it's like if you're a buyer's agent and you want to schedule a showing.
Sounds good. And this is going to be a free member benefit, right?
Oh yeah.
So no extra cost. And it's going to be integrated into LM. And
fully integrated, yes.
Fantastic. And just make sure we'll hammer home that this is just a little tease. We're going to get the full video out for instructional training purposes out later. But we want to just give everybody a little glimpse of this new Aligned showing tool. So let's take it away, Jeffrey.
All right, well, thank you. So I'll start off assuming that you're going to enter a listing, like you just got the listing, you're happy, and you're entering your system. So you get to the agent section when entering your listing, and under the showing information, there will be now a new field called Participate in Aligned Showing for Showings. And it's just a yes, no. If you do yes, you're done with Aligned Showing for now. You continue to enter your listing. And when you're done, you just submit your listing. Once you submit your listing, you can find that listing, go to the action drop-down menu, and select manage showings. And that will take you straight to manage showings. So you click on manage showings, and you're going to get rerouted to Aligned Showings, where from here you can edit the details. There really are 4 easy steps. 1 is the showing instructions, 2 is the office involvement, 3 is the seller tenant involvement, and the last one is selecting your date restrictions and time restrictions. And then when you're done, you've just set up your showings, and it's now live, and buyers agents can now click on it. So at this point, I'm gonna let Tom be the buyer's agent and show his side of the story.
All right, Tom.
So here I'm showing you guys typical screen in Matrix of a listing. This is the agent full display. And you'll notice there's now a new link up here that says schedule a showing, and there's a little icon next to it. And that's the Aligned Showings icon. So to schedule a showing, I just click on this link. Now, for right now, the first time that I click on this link, I do have to log in. We're working on removing this, but for now, I go ahead and sign in to Aligned Showings. And then from here, it's really 3 easy steps. I have to select my date. So I'm going to do this on Saturday. I have to select my time. I want to do it at 11 o'clock, and instead of 11 o'clock, and instead of 15 minutes, I'm going to make it for 30 minutes. And the 3rd step is I just review that I've got it right. So it says up here, July 16th, Saturday, 11 to 11:30. And this allows me to enter a message. And so I can say, you know, hi, Julie, looking forward to the visit. And I go ahead and send it off. So at this point, it's now sent off, and Julie can go ahead and approve it or decline it, or start a conversation with me about maybe moving it to a different time or a different day. So it establishes the conversation via email, and you'll receive emails to let you know what the next steps are. So that's really as simple as it is.
Nice. No, simple's always good. And it does have a lot of flexibility, I've seen as well. So I think this is going to save agents a lot of time. And I think they're going to like it. But when is this, Tom, coming out in the next few weeks as we get?
Yeah, so we're recording this on Thursday, July 14th, and on Monday, July, what is it, 15th, 16th, 18th, we're going to be inviting people to participate. So anybody with a members only do not show listing, we're going to invite them to participate. And if they want to, we'll set them up to go ahead and start using this. And once that schedule a showing link is visible for a listing in Matrix, anybody in the MLS can go ahead and schedule a showing.
Gotcha. And if they're out there, they can send that to, if they want to help us out, be one of these early adopters, feedback@mlslistings.com.
Correct. Yes, that's right. So just send us a note at feedback.mlslistings.com, and we'll set you up. If you have any questions at all, we're happy to walk you through what the process is and answer any questions you have.
Fantastic. Jeffrey, Tom, we're looking forward to seeing it when it's finally out here in a few weeks, the final product here. So keep us updated, and thanks again for being on this Vendor Spotlight.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Make sure to check out our pro support page for additional videos on a full range of topics. And don't forget to click that subscribe button on our MLS Listings YouTube page.